welcome back to another video. If you're new here, thank you so much for joining me. My name is Vivian and I love creating lifestyle content. Be sure to follow me on Instagram. I'll pop it right here. It's where I'm usually kind of creating and exploring my, creative aesthetic side. So be sure to follow me on Instagram. It's _TheVivian. But today's video is something super exciting. I know that a lot of us, I live in a rented apartment, and I know a lot of us live in rented apartments, and I just wanted to come on here and show you guys some ways to take your apartment from basic to a little bit more customized, personal, fabulous, if you may. I know that with rented apartments, it can be a little stiff, a little kind of weird. The structure and everything is so basic and sometimes not as high quality, but I'm going to be sharing with you guys some tips, some tricks that we've done around our home. I wanted to show you guys some ways that we have kind of elevated our apartment and made it more, homey and personal to us. So if you guys want to see 5 different ways to elevate your apartments from basic to a little bit more personal and fabulous, then keep on watching.
You're the one I trust, and I always be around when I need some loving, baby. No one else. Yeah. Let you down. Take me to your heart. I belong to you. Take me to your soul. One of a kind, one of the better boys. I'm on your level, that's what you say, but all I hear is noise. I don't have time for trying my luck. I've been too hurt before. You're not that special, just give it up. I think I've had enough. I'm too busy loving my friends. I ain't got no love to spare for you. I'ma be that girl to the end. It don't really matter what you do. Guess guess I have to tell you again, 'cause you haven't got the news. Boy, you really need to understand that I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. No, I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. All I want is time with my girlfriend's girlfriend. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend.
All right, I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. I had so much fun filming it, and let me know if you guys like videos like this. I'm kind of just getting into this space, into YouTube, and kind of figuring out what I like to film. Definitely a ton of lifestyle content coming your way. Just let me know down below what you guys would like to see next, or what kind of videos you guys enjoy, and I would be glad to film it. Thumbs up this video, it really does help my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, and of course don't forget to comment and engage with me down in the comments. And yeah, follow me on IG. I think that's pretty much it. Until next Sunday, guys. I don't know what that was for. I like that. Until next Sunday, guys, stay inspired. I love you.